Have you ever dreamt of becoming a YouTube star? But what if you're camera shy? Don't worry, you can still achieve YouTube success without ever showing your face. It's called Faceless YouTube, and it's taking the world by storm. In this essay, we'll explore how you can create a thriving YouTube channel, even if you prefer to stay behind the scenes. Faceless YouTube allows you to share your passions and knowledge with the world while maintaining your privacy. It's a fantastic opportunity for introverts, those short on time, or anyone who wants to let their content speak for itself. Let's dive into the world of Faceless YouTube and discover how you can make it big. Going faceless on YouTube comes with a unique set of advantages. One of the biggest perks is the anonymity it offers. You can share your thoughts and ideas without revealing your identity, giving you freedom and privacy. Another advantage is the flexibility it provides. You don't need to worry about your appearance, location, or even having a fancy camera setup. This makes it incredibly easy to get started. Plus, faceless channels often focus on the content itself, making the information more engaging and relatable for viewers. So if you're passionate about a topic and want to share it with the world, Faceless YouTube could be your perfect platform. Choosing the right niche is crucial for any successful YouTube channel, especially for faceless creators. Your niche is your specialty, the specific topic area your channel will focus on. It's what will draw in viewers who are genuinely interested in what you have to offer. Think about your passions, hobbies, and areas where you have expertise. Do you love gaming, cooking, travel, or finance? These are all popular niches with engaged audiences on YouTube. For example, gaming channels can feature gameplay walkthroughs, reviews, and tutorials, all without showing the creator's face. Cooking channels can focus on recipe demonstrations, ingredient spotlights, or even kitchen gadget reviews. The possibilities are endless. The key is to choose a niche that excites you and has the potential to attract a dedicated audience. Starting a faceless YouTube channel doesn't require expensive equipment. In fact, you probably already have most of what you need. A computer or laptop is essential for video editing and uploading. A good quality microphone is crucial for clear audio, which is especially important when your face isn't visible. You can find affordable USB microphones that deliver excellent sound quality. Screen recording software is essential for creating tutorials, gameplay videos, or presentations. Free options like OBS Studio are available, or you can opt for paid software like Camtasia for more advanced features. Finally, don't underestimate the power of simple editing software. Free programs like iMovie for Mac or DaVinci Resolve offer all the basic tools you need to create professional-looking videos. Section 5. Content is king. Crafting videos that captivate. Creating engaging content is the heart of any successful YouTube channel. For faceless channels, it's even more critical since you're relying solely on your audio and visuals to captivate viewers. Start by planning your videos carefully. Think about your target audience and what they would find valuable or entertaining. Create a loose script or outline to keep your videos focused and concise. Voiceovers are your best friend in the faceless YouTube world. A clear and engaging voice can make all the difference in keeping viewers hooked. Practice your delivery, experiment with different tones, and don't be afraid to inject your personality into your narration. Visuals are equally important. Use high-quality images, videos, and graphics to illustrate your points and keep viewers engaged. Free stock photo and video websites like Pexels and Pixabay offer a wealth of resources to enhance your videos. Remember, quality over quantity. It's better to create a few amazing videos than a bunch of mediocre ones. Section 6. Amplify your reach. Proven strategies for channel growth. Once you start creating great content, it's time to get your channel noticed. Growing a YouTube channel takes time and effort, but with the right strategies, you can steadily increase your views and subscribers. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is crucial for getting your videos discovered on YouTube. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. This helps YouTube understand what your videos are about and recommend them to the right viewers. Eye-catching thumbnails are essential for attracting clicks. Use bright colors, bold text, and intriguing images that accurately represent your video's content. Consistency is key on YouTube. Establish a regular upload schedule and stick to it as closely as possible. This keeps your audience engaged and coming back for more. Engage with your viewers in the comments section. Respond to questions, acknowledge feedback, and foster a sense of community around your channel. Collaborating with other creators in your niche is a fantastic way to reach new audiences. Look for channels with similar content and audience demographics and propose collaboration ideas. Section 7. Beyond ads, unlocking YouTube's monetization potential. Monetizing your Faceless YouTube channel can be a rewarding experience, allowing you to earn income from your passion. While YouTube ads are a common monetization method, several other avenues exist to explore. Affiliate marketing is a popular option for Faceless creators. You can recommend products or services related to your niche and earn a commission for every sale generated through your unique affiliate link. Selling digital products like ebooks, courses, or templates is another excellent way to monetize your expertise. Create valuable resources that solve your audience's problems or enhance their skills. Sponsorships can also be lucrative. As your channel grows, brands may approach you to promote their products or services in your videos. Remember, building trust with your audience is crucial for successful monetization. Only promote products or services you genuinely believe in and that align with your channel's values. Section 8. Engaging your audience. Building a community of loyal fans. Building a strong community around your Faceless YouTube channel is essential for long-term success. When viewers feel connected to you and your content, they're more likely to become loyal subscribers and advocates for your channel. Encourage interaction by asking questions at the end of your videos. Ask for opinions, suggestions for future content, or even personal anecdotes related to the video's topic. Respond to comments thoughtfully and genuinely. Show your viewers that you care about their thoughts and appreciate their engagement. Host Q&A sessions or live streams to connect with your audience in real time. This allows for direct interaction and fosters a sense of community. Consider creating a dedicated social media presence for your channel. This provides another avenue for viewers to connect with you and stay updated on your latest content. Section 9. The SEO advantage: getting discovered on YouTube search engine. Optimization, or SEO, is crucial for ensuring your Faceless YouTube channel gets discovered by viewers actively searching for content like yours. Keyword research is the foundation of YouTube SEO. Use keyword research tools like TubeBuddy or VidIQ to identify relevant keywords with high search volume and low competition. Incorporate these keywords naturally into your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Don't stuff keywords, as this can hurt your rankings. Optimize your video descriptions thoroughly. Write engaging descriptions that accurately reflect your video's content and include relevant keywords. Create playlists around specific themes or topics. This helps viewers discover more of your content and keeps them engaged on your channel. Regularly update your video tags to reflect current trends and search terms. Section 10. Your YouTube adventure awaits. Take the leap. Starting a Faceless YouTube channel can be an incredibly rewarding experience. It allows you to share your passions, connect with a global audience, and even generate income, all while maintaining your privacy. Remember, success on YouTube takes time, effort, and consistency. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Focus on creating high-quality content, engaging with your audience, and optimizing your channel for discoverability. Embrace the journey, learn from your mistakes, and never stop experimenting. The world of Faceless YouTube awaits, and it's brimming with opportunities for passionate creators like you. So, what are you waiting for? Take the leap and start building your Faceless YouTube empire today.